So this particular video is very cool because I tried another stuff I saw online, and this one is actually let me say it actually has 80%. There's 80% chances of you actually earning from this one. So stick around to the end of this video as I'll be showing you step by step what I actually did, or what this person actually showed us, and I tried it and how it actually works. So this one actually worked, and like I said, it has 80% chances of you earning from this one. So stick around to the end of the video and hear what this guy has to say about this video.
See that it definitely works, and there are people out there doing this right now and making a killing.
So as usual, after listening to him, I decided to jump on it and I went step by step, and this is my feedback on this particular thing. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you as usual, and then we are going to take a look at it. We are going to take a look at it together, and then you will see what you need to do if you want to earn from this particular one. So let's just go into my computer right now, and then I'm going to be showing you, like I said, step by step of what you need to do. You just need to visit two particular websites and then you are done. So let's just go into this. So I believe you can see my screen right now. You can see my screen, and I'm on this particular website. Just like he said, I'm on this particular website. The name of this website is Akere. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but you can see it on the screen. It's called Akere.ai. So we need to generate an image according to this particular way we are going to earn money. We need to generate an image, and after generating an image, free image actually, because it's not going to cost us anything, we are going to generate this image, and after we generate this image, we are going to be uploading this image which we generated for free. We are going to be uploading it on another website, and then on this website where we upload it, this is where we are going to be making the money. So like I said 80% chances. I'm going to be telling you what's the 20% chances, what the other 20% as what does the 20% chances actually meant. Yeah, what I meant by the 20% which is left from this 80. So the first thing which you need to do according to him is we need to come to this website Akere.ai and then generate an image. So as you can see on the screen, you have this box here where you just need to type in what you want to generate. So I can say for example, a child and a chicken. So this particular website generates this image for me. You remember, this image is what we actually want to say as wallpaper, because some people love to have some AI wallpaper on their phone. So we are going to be selling this particular wallpaper, this particular image, for as low as from $1 to $5, depending on you. $5, he said in his video, he said we shouldn't go more than $5, so it won't be too much expensive, which I actually recommend not to go above $5. So maybe $2, $3 for an image, it's enough, because you know these days people can actually go on the website to download the image. But if you are going to be giving us something, just make it really cheap. So when you click on this prompt and then a child and a chicken, it automatically generates an image for you. You can click on portrait, you can also go to concept, you can go to CGI, you can go to cartoon or something, or you can, yeah, so these are everything which it can generate for you. And then you have this one, but you need to play around with this one here, this particular one here, for you to see what it actually means. But you can actually ignore it because it's going to generate some good image for you. So let's say we have the image which we actually wanted. There's this option where you can click on enhance, and then it's going to enhance the image for you. So you click on enhance, it generates this beautiful looking AI photo for you. You can see here it shows a watermark on the image, but by the time you download this image, there is not going to be any watermark in this image. So after generating this image, next thing you need to do is just to download this image. So you click on download here. You see I just downloaded the image. Let me see if I can show you the image which I just downloaded, just for you to see. So you download the image. After downloading the image, you see how beautiful the picture is looking, even without this watermark. So this is a particular image which you are going to be making money from. This is what we need to say. So you can generate as many images as you want, just giving your prompt. You can also give a flying car, something like this, and then just play around with it. And yeah, and after that, enhance your image and then download it. And after download this, we have to go to this next website, and this next website is called Gumroad. So Gumroad is the website which we are going to be selling the image. So basically, we just need to go to home, and then we register as usual. You can see I'm already registered, so we registered, and then when you click on products, we can actually create a new product. You see, I already created 2 products. These are my products which I actually created and which I actually tested to sell. Then you have these 2. You can give in your price as you want. Let's quickly do one. I don't want this video too long, so I'm going to be rushing to do one for you. So let's click on new product, and by the time we click on new products, here we can click a digital product, and then we give it maybe let's say we want to sell it in euros. We can give it to euros, and name it test sell, for example, and then you're giving your price. Let's say I want to sell it for $3, or let's say I want to sell it for $2. You can go as much as you want, but like he said in this video, $1 to $5 is enough, so it won't be too pricey for people. So you click on customize, and after clicking on customize, you have to give this description for the image, and then you have to upload the cover, and then you have to upload the thumbnail for this image. So after playing around with that, you get this particular image here, right here. You get this particular image here, and this is what you need to say. So here comes the 20% which I'm talking about. So this 20% is how exactly do you sell this image. According to him, you can go to Twitter, or X as it's called right now. You can go to Twitter, and then give in your link, and then just type in I'm selling this image for so dollars, please buy my image, or look at this beautiful wallpaper image, I'm selling it for so amount. And now this 20% is how many people are willing to pay $2 for an image right now in 2024. How many people are really willing to pay for it? Another thing is, do you have enough followers or enough friends that we really want to pay for this? So this is where the 20% comes on, because you have to be able to sell this image to people. You have to be able to sell this image to people, and then if you are able to sell at least to 10 to 50 people, you know how much you are going to make for that. So $2 times 50, that's like $100. Yeah, that's a cool cash actually. But the challenges is, how exactly are you going to sell this image? So you only get a link from here, so you try to sell them by yourself. That is why I say it's possible, because you are getting free image, you are not paying for this image, but then the challenge of you selling. So this comes to you, how can you market your product? So this is left for you to market your product and be able to sell it to people. You can put the link on any of the social media platform, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, any social media platform which you have, and just make sure people buy it. So it's really cool, right? Yeah, it's actually cool, and I believe you can actually earn from this if you try it. So if you are going to try this, and put it in the comment section, tell me if you're able to sell any image. If you're able to sell any image, it's so simple, it's easy. I'm going to be putting a link to these 2 websites in the description, so you can try them out yourself, and then let me know what you think. And if you are able to earn money from this, put it in the comment section below. And as I always say, if you have another video you would like me to try out before you jump into it, put it also in the comment section. I'm going to be replying you. So that is all for today. And yeah, if you are joining this family, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because I would like to see you in another video. And of course, I will catch you in the next one. I remember I always say Akere Buluwa. For now, peace, and catch you in the next one. Bye for now.